we will see how to use Airtable for free in 2026. For this, first of all, you go to the official website of airtable.com, then sign up for the free. Then follow the prompts to create your account and the workspace and select this start from the scratch. Name your new base and choose a workspace, being by renaming the table 1 to something relevant. Exploring the core free features, so add a new field by clicking the plus icon next to the existing field. Choose the various field types like single line, next, and create a new views using the grid view. Customize the view setting to the filter shots or the group you record. Explore the automations tab to set up basic trigger and the action. Understanding the free plan limitation: 100 records per base, 1 GB attachment space per base, 550 automation rules per month, basic sync integration only, no access to the advanced reporting or the admin feature, limited revision history of 2 week. Here you also go to the official website for checking the more plans. Tip for maximize your free tools: regularly review and delete the unnecessary record, optimize the attachment using by linking and external files, schedule your automation wise to avoid the exceed monthly runs, archive old bases or export the data before deleting it to the free space. Okay, utilize your link record instead of duplicating the data across the table. So these are the things that you can try for maximize your free plans. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.